Hello everyone, this is PS4, no display. And you can see the screen over there. There is no signal going to the TV. So wiggling the HDMI, no change. The console has been opened before. These warranty stickers, is all of them removed. Some cockroaches sleeping here, but they are dead. This need a good cleaning too. Yeah, the HDMI might be replaced before. Yeah, more cockroaches. But all of them are dead, it's not I think they took these screws and they put the wrong one. So you check this cover if you want to clean the fan and clean the heatsink. So, this one it's need really good cleaning. More cockroaches, that's the fan. So this one is gonna go to cleaning. These pans here are moving. No, the pad is gone. It's gonna need a jumper. So this is the new HDMI port. And let's take the old one. Yep, it's moving both sides. And here we go. Oh, the pad's still there. Yeah, I can see the pad. Ties need a jumper. Yep, that's the two pads. Yeah, this is the rosin flux. It's kind of hard. Yeah, it's kind of hard to melt this pad here. Right, this is the new HDMI. The solder is melted. It's melting the top, but not in the bottom. Okay, now it's good. Yep. Just to be sure the hole is okay. See, now it's good. Sometimes it shows melted, but when you try to put the port, you have a hard time. Yeah, we want the solder to go all around the pan, not just on the bottom of the pan. Yeah, each 100 is very high. Let's go to 6. Yeah, set up at 600. Alright, let's take that bridge without the well. And by passing the extra solder to the next pan. There, it's gone. The bridge is gone, and we have extra solders to all other pins next to it. That's good. So you can see the shiny parts on the top of the pin. I'm going to zoom in. Is under and the top all around the pin. So you don't need to see the shiny copper on the top. You want the solder to go all around the pan, like it's hugging it to the board. See now the pins, they have enough solder around them. Do you see these pens here? The factory solder pen. You see that copper over there? And you can see the copper over there is mean this the pen is just sitting on the solder. The solder is not going around the pen from the side all the way in the top to the other side. Let's make more strong solder. So I'm gonna go to the bottom pads. So because there is a big ground, so we get to help with the hot air. We need to solder from here. Yeah, we need to solder from this side. You can see the solder is not going all the way up to the level of the board. The same thing, the solder iron and the hot air. So now the solder from the top all the way to the bottom. Yeah, the pens looks very good, the solder on them. Yeah, there is no solder bridge and it looks good. So especially like these ports that you need to connect, disconnect, connect, disconnect the cable. It needs the solder to be all around the pen, solder from the bottom board all the way to the top, to be sure. But if it is like a internal connector in the board, it's okay. The connector pins to just sit on the pad. I did see something here. I was cleaning the board. You can see this chip is burned, and that's a 5-volt power to USB. That's USB, and this is the 5-volt. So this is the good chip. Is a DH2034. It's the same as that one. Yeah, I'm gonna remove that chip in case if it has any short. Yeah, the fuse is good. The fuse is good. 5-volt goes from this point to this point. Then the chip is transferred to this point here. Then it's go to the USB. from this point we have connection to here. Alright, we'll clean the console, put it half together just to test it. See if we're going to see anything on the display over there. Still waiting. Yeah, there is a display. This is great. Great, it's fixed. So it cannot start the PS4. Could be a bad connection on the hard drive. Yeah, you check in the system storage. Alright, we'll see the PS symbol. Let's see if it's gonna pass it. Okay, that's good too. Yeah, that's good enough. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you again.